Hello, I'm Jenny Holloway, and I've had a few people ask me what my background has been during my career. I've had a very unusual career from the point of view that I did a business studies degree at Coventry Lanchester Polytechnic, now called Coventry University. I did business studies, and I was a sponsored student by Rolls-Royce Motors. And my first job was at Littlewoods, where I was a junior buyer. I then went to Marks & Spencer's, and I was a selector for Marks & Spencer's. And then after that, I went on to Arcadia Group, and I was a senior buyer, and I was responsible for all the tailoring and some separates. After then, I started my own range. I had a collection called Retro UK, which we sold internationally. And unfortunately, a distributable third party took away the business, and actually we lost everything. So that was a bit of a reconciliation for me personally. But also it's a good thing, because that's why I then decided about being a social enterprise and wanted to help people not make the mistakes that I did make. So that's when I embarked upon being a consultant, and I worked for the London Development Agency on a project called the London Fashion Forum. That was a great project. I worked with a lovely man called David Jones, who was the director. I was the project manager. Spent 3 years with funding that we built up a wonderful website called fashioncapital.co.uk, which is still going today, as in 2023. And then we had another ranch of funding for 3 years because it was so successful. And of course, like all good things, must come to an end. The funding stopped, and I thought, well, can't go back into buying, that'd be a bit unrealistic. So opened up Fashion Enter, which we started in Croydon. And then 17 years on, today we are a leading academy in vocational skills. We've got wonderful production resources, both for sampling as well as bulk production. We have sites in Newtown in Wales, Leicester, Haringey and Islington. The project in Islington is very unusual. It's a £10 million programme where we have a mini circular economy. So we've got the SC Designer workspace, we've also got the Fontill shop. So we create a true economy, circular, local, great for low carbon emissions, all within Islington Borough. So that just gives you an overview of who I am and what we've been doing. No person is an island, and I think over the last 17 years, the team that we have today is absolutely extraordinary. I have so much respect for them, and they certainly keep me going. And we now go into a new chapter with partners such as Style 3D, Corneat, Zund, and we just think there is so much opportunity to have a fashion industry that is absolutely sustainable and ethical.